Hi students, today we discuss about sets. In our daily life, we talk about a group of objects or collection of objects. For example, a bouquet of flowers. A bouquet of flowers. A bouquet of flowers and a herd of cows. Herd of cows. And third example is a flock of birds. A flock of birds. And fourth one is a pack of cards. A pack of cards. All these are example of group of objects or collection of objects. Herd means so many cows. Flock means so many birds. A pack of cards. A pack means so many cards. And flower. A bouquet of flowers. Bouquet means so many flowers. All these are group of objects. All these are group of objects. Now we see what is meant by set. What is meant by a set? A set means well-defined collection of objects. Set means a well-defined collection of objects is called set. A well-defined collection of objects is called sets. Set means a well-defined collection of objects is called set. In this example 1, 2 and 3, these examples are set. Example 1, 2 and 3 means days of a week, months in a year and first 10 counting number. All these three examples are set because here in these three examples we can definitely and clearly decide the collection of objects. We can definitely and clearly decide the collection of objects. But in example 4 and example 5, these are not the example of set. These are not the example of set. With happy children in the village and brilliant student of the class, these two examples are not set. Example 4 and example 5 are not example of the set because here the words happy and brilliant. The words happy and brilliant, these two words are relative terms. These two words are relative terms. Exact meaning of the happy means to be happy. Exact meaning of the happy is to be happy, and exact meaning of the brilliant means to be brilliant. To be brilliant means these two words are differ from person to person. These two words are differ from person to person. So these two examples are not set. These two examples are not set. Generally, sets are denoted by capital letter. Generally, sets are denoted by capital letter A, B, C, D, etc. Sets are denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. And the member or element of the sets are denoted by small letter. The member or elements of the sets are denoted by small letter A, B, C, D, etc. Sets denoted by capital letter and member or an element of the sets are denoted by small letter. A belongs to A. A belongs to A. Its meaning is A is an element of set A. A is an element of set A. A belongs to A means A is an element of set A, and A does not belong to A means A is not an element. A is not an element of set A. A is not an element of set A. This sign is belongs to and does not belongs to and does not belongs to. Now methods of writing set. Methods of writing set. There are two methods of writing set. First method is listing method. Listing method or roster method. First method is listing method or roster method, and second one is rule method. Rule method or set builder form. Rule method or set builder form. First method is listing method or roster method, and second method is rule method or set builder form. Now we see listing method. Now we see listing method. In listing method, we write all the elements of a set in curly bracket. All the elements of the set in curly bracket. In this bracket, this is a curly bracket. In listing method, we write all the elements of set in curly bracket. This is first part. Then each of the element write in only once. Each of the element write is only one and separated by comma. And separated by comma. This is second part. All the element write is in curly bracket. Each element write only once and separated by commas. Order of the element is not important. Order of the element is not important, but we have to write all the elements of the set. But we have to write all the elements of the set. This is listing method. In listing method, first we write all the element of set in curly bracket. Each element write only once and separated by commas. Order of the element is not important. Now we see example. The set of odd numbers. The set of odd number between 1 and 10. The set of odd number between 1 and 10. Between 1 and 10. By listing method. Here in curly bracket, set of odd number. Odd number is 3, 5, 7, 9. Now bracket is closed and each element is separated by comma. Here 5, 7, 3, 9. Here order is not important. Order is not important. This is listing method. We see next example. Next example. The letters in the word. The letters in the word. Remember. The letters in the word. Remember. The letters in the word. Remember. In curly bracket. R E M B. R E M B. This example is by listing method. This example is written by listing method. The letters in the word remember means with the set of all letters R E M B.